So that's a bit of an introduction to some of the scientific literature around patients like me, and now I'm going to run through your tutorial preparation for this week. So the first thing is jump on the Patients Like Me website and have a bit of a look around, see what you can discover about the organisation. They used to have some interesting overview videos from the founders. They've been removed in the last couple of years, but you can jump on and you can look at the sorts of reasons why someone might want to join Patients Like Me. So if I can just jump through to it here. So patientslikeme.com is nice and easy to find. You start off on the home page. You can have a bit of a read through. Click on these options here. I want to meet others like me, learn about my condition, track my health. It will give you some examples of what it will offer. You can click through to conditions, and then that will give you an overview of all the conditions that there are specific groups for, and ultimately you're going to pick one of those for your tutorial preparation. So if I just jump back to my slide. So you're going to choose one of those chronic health conditions listed in Patients Like Me. I want you to click into that and just review the overview page for that condition in PLM. Take some brief notes, read the Wikipedia page for that condition as well. It's probably going to have a bit more detail, maybe broader detail, history of the condition, those sorts of things. Take a few notes there, then go and access a social media platform that's public facing. What do I mean by that? Like, you might need to belong to Instagram to look at Instagram posts, but you don't need a membership of an ALS group to see #ALS posts. So something that you don't need to join a specific group for. In contrast, the way Facebook works, so you have a Facebook membership, but if you want to see what people are, what ALS groups use Facebook for, you're probably going to have to join an ALS group. Now don't do that. Use a public facing platform where you don't need specific membership. So Reddit, Instagram, TikTok and X are probably the most obvious options there. Jump on that public platform in relation to the specific chronic health condition you've chosen from the list from Patients Like Me, and just scan through the recent posts and identify the main sort of 3 or 4 topics that are being posted to social media by people impacted by these conditions. Include some URLs, include some screenshots, and then in the tutorial, the online tutorial, you'll be explaining what you found about how it's being used, and then comparing that to what other people have found looking at other conditions. We'll do some similar work in the face-to-face tutorial. So again, I'm expecting that you'll be able to write some brief points, not copied and pasted from PLM or Wikipedia, but summarizing what you see there, and then the key topics that you've seen being discussed or being posted about online for the specific condition that you've been looking at. So that's your tutorial prep for this week.